Oliver the Owl and Leonardo the Leopard. Oliver the Owl was a very wise owl. He lived in the forest in a tree. He was so smart that all the other animals came to him with their problems. One day, Leonardo the Leopard came to Oliver's tree. "Oliver, I have a problem." "What is it, Leonardo?" "I don't like my spots. I don't look like the other big cats I know. Some of the other animals say my spots look silly." "Your spots aren't silly, Leonardo. Looking different doesn't make you silly. Be glad you have spots." "Why, Oliver?" "Because it makes it hard for hunters to find you in the bushes. Your spots help hide you. They protect you. You have your spots for a good reason. Not all animals are as lucky as you." Leonardo smiled. "Thank you for helping me understand, Oliver. Now I like myself just the way I am."